Mike Innovative Door, late night garage door opener installation. We have a brand new linear going in here, LDC0800, belt drive on a hollow metal door. We took down this old timer here, no photo eyes. If you watched our other videos, you know the linear opener is the awesome opener, belt drive, super quiet, super dependable. Wall station, up down button, light, lock button. Does come with your safety photo eyes down at the bottom left, bottom right. Full cord release, and so you can tell it's the belt drive, so it's super smooth and quiet. So late night door installations, Innovative Door, 632-719-343. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. We're giving away a door opener, one of these actually, in our 1,000. We hit 1,000 subscribers, so it could be you. We will ship it too, so thanks for watching our video, our late night door installation, door opener installation. As always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our late night door installation, door opener installation video.